Hello, everybody. I'm Jeff Davi with the Monterey Peninsula Home Team, and I hope you're doing well. Today, we're going to have a virtual tour of the listing I have located in Pasadera at 411 Mirador. So let's go ahead and start it up right now and grab a MLS printout. This is a home. It's a 3-bedroom, 4-bath, 4,435 square feet. It's located in Pasadera, the gated community with the wonderful golf course and Pasadera Country Club. This is a super villa, and it's listed for $1.695 million, actually priced very aggressively below some recent comps of the similar properties. Let's go ahead and take a look at the virtual tour now. The virtual tour can be seen online. It starts off as a dollhouse, and you come into the front door here. Let's see, right there. And this is the view when you come in the house. High ceilings, probably 17, 18 feet high. Great views outside on the veranda. And you've got a hallway leading into all of the entertaining areas. And then your bedroom wing is located to your right. Let's go ahead and head on down the hallway here. And when you walk in, you've got a dining area to your left. And then to your right, you've got the formal living, which is absolutely beautiful. Windows, doors as well. Corridor to the mountains across. There is a little butler pantry over there, but we're going to go ahead and let's go on through to the great room kitchen area. This is a wonderful informal dining if you want. There's a fireplace as well. Here's a view showing the outside terrace, and then a shot back at the fireplace. And then there is the kitchen, which is a great kitchen if you like entertaining and if you like cooking. This kitchen has great features, lots of room, double ovens, gas range, and then an island, of course, with the sink. And you've got a little butler pantry here as well with a wine fridge, another wet sink, and a nice walk-in pantry. Some you don't see it these days, but it's nice to have. Okay, let's head on out now. We're going to go right out to the hallway again and get ourselves back to the main entrance of the house. And then you go into the wings of the lower bedrooms. We got 2 bedrooms downstairs. There is a great little laundry room right here, which is wonderful. And then you've got 2 suites. Well, the first bedroom suite is right here. Got a bathroom, nice stall shower, tile finishes. This room's carpeted, and it's got a nice sunny room with, again, the view out overlooking what is the Laguna Seca golf course, but it's also the Highway 68 corridor. Heading back to the next room. Right here. Oh, you're getting too fast here. Now this room actually has hardwood floors. But again, same sunny view over the veranda and out toward the golf course. Private doors to your terrace if you want, and then of course its own bathroom. Saving the best for, there's a garage right here, 2-car garage, plenty of room. And then we go upstairs now to the the master wing. And the master is literally the entire upstairs. Comprised of a main room here, fireplace, see how large it is. And the views get better and better the higher we are. Inset bed wall. Now this overlooks the downstairs dining area. And you come out here to your closet with his and her closets. You've got one closet to the left, too far there. And then you got another closet right behind this door. So you have plenty of closet space, and they're all built-in closet organizers, which, you know, is fantastic to have. Get into the master bathroom. It has a stall shower as well as tub. Simply exquisite. And let's see if we can go over here now. Let's go out on this balcony and see if we can take a look at the view out here. This is outside the master bedroom balcony, and you are up high looking over literally a lot of Pasadera down to your south and in the east towards Salinas, and then of course back into your master. So that concludes the virtual tour of 411 Mirador. I'm Jeff Davi with Monterey's Home Team. Give us a call if you want to discuss this property any further. And thank you so much for enjoying the tour. Bye-bye.